kids. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural. I hope by now everybody knows what is singular. Singular means single, that is one, and plural means more than one. Now when we pronounce any word, like for example boy, plural becomes boys. Singular, tree, trees. House, houses. When we pronounce, the end is always the S sound, but while writing there are different spellings. These rules apply to them. You just can't keep on adding S to a word and it becomes a plural. No. There are 6 rules which you are supposed to keep in mind while using singular and plural. Now, rule number 1. If a word ends with SH, CH, S, X or Z, you add ES to that word. Okay? You have to see the last letters of the word. Again, I'll repeat. If a word ends with SH, CH, S, X or Z, you add ES to that word. This is rule number 1. Now rule number 2. If a word ends with Y, this is a combined rule. If a word ends with Y, but before Y, if it is a vowel, you add S to it. But before Y, if it is a consonant, you remove that Y and you add IES to that word. I will be taking examples one by one. First, keep these rules in mind. Again, I'll repeat. If it is vowel plus Y, for example, boy, it is ending with Y and before Y, it is a vowel. So you just add S to boy. It becomes boys. If it is consonant plus Y, means suppose story. It is ending with Y, but before Y, there is a consonant to it. So plural will be, you remove this Y and you add IES to it. This is rule number 2. I'll be taking more examples. First, just let us go to the rules. Now, rule number 4. If a word ends with F or FE, you remove F and FE. Like here, you removed Y from the spelling. Here, you have to remove that F and FE and you add VES to that word. Leaf, you remove this F and you add VES to it. Now, if it is a consonant plus O, again this is a combined rule. If a word ends with O, like zoo, this is vowel plus O, so you add S to it. If it is consonant plus O, like hero, here before O there is a consonant, so you add ES to that word. You don't have to remove O here. Only in case a word ends with Y or if a word ends with F or FE, then only you remove. Otherwise, in all the other rules, you have to just add ES or S. Okay? So, let us revise one by one again. If a word ends with SH, CH, S, X or Z, you add ES to that word. If a word ends with vowel plus Y, you add S to it. If a word ends with consonant plus Y, you remove that Y and you add IES to it. If a word ends with F or FE, you remove F and FE and you add VES to it. Next, if it is a consonant plus O, you add es to that word, and if it is a vowel plus O, you add s to that word. These are the 6 basic rules of singular and plural which you must always keep in mind, because you can't just keep on learning these spellings every time. Okay, so I'll take up the examples now one by one. Now I'll write few words here. Bus, match, box, quiz, dish. Now you have to just see the last letters of the word. It is ending with S, it is ending with CH, it is ending with X, it is ending with Z, it is ending with SH. So in all these cases we add. Now see, these words are ending with S, CH, X, Z, SH. So in all these words you have to add es at the end. See, bus, you will spell bus as buses, match as matches, box as boxes, quiz as quizzes, dish as dishes. So what you have done, you have just added es at the end of these words. You don't have to remove anything, nothing doing, just adding es. Okay, so this was our rule number 1. Now second rule was, if it is ending with y, if it is ending with y, suppose city, story, cherry. Now this is consonant plus y, consonant plus y, consonant plus y. You remove this y from the spelling and you add IES to it. क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं हम? IES. y हमने निकाल दिया है स्पेलिंग में से और हम सिर्फ IES ऐड करते जा रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि है ये कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस y, कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस y है इसलिए. अब अगर वॉवल प्लस y है तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वॉवल प्लस y, वॉवल प्लस y, तो हम सिर्फ s ऐड कर रहे हैं. इधर क्या कर रहे हैं? हम सिर्फ s ऐड कर रहे हैं, हम y भी नहीं रिमूव कर रहे. ठीक है. अब थर्ड रूल था हमारा f. अगर f या fe से एंड होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लोफ, लीफ, नाइफ, वाइफ, एफ 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 ई, तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये सब रिमूव कर देंगे और VES ऐड करेंगे. इस केस में क्या ऐड करेंगे? VES ऐड करेंगे. समझा सबको? एवरीबडी क्लियर? The word is ending with F or FE. We are removing that F and FE and we are adding VES to it. Now the last rule was, if it is ending with O, consonant plus O or vowel plus O. Now I'll take up, see, zoo, radio, video. Now this is vowel plus O, vowel plus O, vowel plus O. So what you do, you are just adding S at the end. You are just adding S at the end. Now if it is a consonant plus O, consonant plus O में क्या था रूल? हम ES ऐड करेंगे. क्या ऐड करेंगे? ES. ये कॉन्सोनेंट है और स्पेलिंग O से फिनिश हो रही है. एक और एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेक अप, टोमेटो. नाउ अगेन दिस इज एंडिंग विथ O and there is a consonant, so you add ES to it. One more, potato. what you do? Potatoes it becomes. So what you are doing? You are just adding es at the end. Now these were the examples of all the 6 rules which I have taken. Now what about the words who? Now these were the examples which I had taken up about the rules, the 6 rules which I had explained you in the beginning. Now what about the other words which end? Suppose I take up house. Now this is ending with E and I have not explained you anything about this. So all the rest of the words which ends with the different letters which are not covered in the rule, you just add S at the end. You take up any car, this is ending with R, this is not covered in the rule, you add S to it. Cow, ending with W, not covered in the rule, you add S. So for all these things you have to just add S at the end. It becomes houses, this becomes cars, this becomes cows. Okay. Now apart from this, there are some irregular words for which the 6 rules do not apply. Now tooth is singular, tooth becomes teeth. Foot is 1 foot, both becomes feet. Now very common, man, man becomes men, men. This is the difference. Woman becomes woman. Child is 1, children more than 1. These are irregular words which are commonly used. There are a list of words, but these are more frequent words which we use. Tooth becomes teeth, foot becomes feet, man becomes men, woman becomes woman. Again, E and A difference, child becomes children. These are some of the irregular words. Now, again, one more set of words are there for which the singular and plural remains the same. They remain the same. For example, ship is always ship. You don't say ships. Ship is always ship. Deer is always deer. Fish is always fish. Even though it is ending with sh, you do not add es to it. Fish remains fish, deer remains deer, ship remains ship, news remains news. For these words, singular and plural both are the same. So, before signing off, I will take a quick recap of what we have learned today about singular and plural. Now, a quick recap. For words which we have to add es, s, ies, ves. Words ending with s, h, ch, x, z, s. We add es to that word. Consonant plus o. अगर वर्ड ओ से फिनिश होता है, उसके आगे कॉन्सोनेंट है, जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स लिए थे हीरो, टोमेटो, पोटैटो, उसके साथ भी हम es लगाते हैं ना. s पे हम लोग थोड़ा बाद में आएंगे, उसके पहले ies किसके साथ लगाते हैं हम? कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस y. We remove y and we add ies to that word. F or fe, we remove f and fe and we add ves to that word. Now, these are the 4 broad categories. Okay. Now, s. s अभी हम किस किस के साथ लगाएंगे? Vowel plus o के साथ हम s लगाएंगे. वॉवल प्लस y के साथ भी हम s लगाएंगे एंड बाकी सब वर्ड्स विच आर नॉट कवर्ड in this list and in this list we add s at the end. All remaining words which are not covered we add s to it. So words ending with s, z, x, ch and sh, consonant plus o we add es to it, consonant plus y we remove y and we add ies to it, f and fe we remove f and fe and we add ves to that word. So these are the four broad categories for which the rule of singular and plural applies. Now apart from this we had learned about irregular words which were man becomes men, foot becomes feet, and tooth becomes teeth, woman becomes woman, child becomes children, person becomes people. There are a list of words for this, but regularly these few words are used. And apart from irregular, there are some similar words for which the singular and the plural remains the same, like ship, ship, fish, fish, deer, deer, news, news. Again, there are a list of words for this, but commonly these words are used. तो ये था हमारा पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन आज का अबाउट सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. आई होप you enjoyed learning about it and keep on practicing this. Keep the rules in mind and then practice. So that will be really helpful for you. So happy learning till then and stay tuned for my more videos which I'll be taking up one by one. So bye bye.